In this video, we will learn how to find if a number is even or odd in Python. This is the result. First, our program will ask for the number to check. Then, it will tell us whether the number is even or odd. Great. Let's explore our code. These 7 lines are all the code we need, but before analyzing it, we will understand how the modulo operator works. In Python we use the percentage symbol to accomplish this operation. The result of a modulo operation between the integers a and b is the remainder of the division between them. For example, the normal division between 7 and 3 is 2.33. However, the integer division between 7 and 3, which in Python can be calculated with double slashes, is 2. This division leaves a remainder of 1, as 3 times 2 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So, 7 modulo 3 is 1. When dividing by 2, the only possible remainders are 0 or 1. Depending on the definition you are using, it can also be minus 1, but in Python remainders are always non-negative. A number is even if and only if the remainder of its division by 2 is 0. We can also say that a number is even if it's divisible by 2. If it's not, then the number is called odd. Now that we know how to use the modulo operator to check if a number is even, let's go back to the code. First we read the number we want to check and cast it to an integer. Then, we check if the entered number modulo 2 is equals to 0. If it is, we print the message saying it is even. If it's not, we say it is an odd number. That's it. You can find the full code in the fixed comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a suggestion for the next one.